Everyone, wherever you are. In this video I will show you how to fix this problem on your KineMaster on your phone. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first, you don't need to open your KineMaster. Just go and open the settings of your device or your phone. Then open apps option, and here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search only for KineMaster. When you found it, just open it like this and scroll down to your phone storage. But here guys, be careful, don't click on clear data, click just on clear cache. If you click on clear data, it will delete your data, so click just on clear cache, then go back and click on force stop, click OK and go to battery and allow it on optimized mode as I'm doing. And right now you have to go to permission and give to permission to this files and media, microphone and camera. Then you have to go to your Play Store and you have to update your KineMaster on the last version, then restart your phone. That's it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next time.